In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Elementor templates in WordPress. As you can see, I'm on my WordPress dashboard right now, and this is my site right now. And as you can see, it looks very ugly. I'm going to show you how to import an Elementor template and edit this with Elementor. So let's get started. The first thing is get back to your dashboard, then go to plugins, and you have to install Elementor. If you've already installed Elementor, that's great. Then you can skip this step, but I'm going to install it first because I haven't yet. So just type in Elementor in the plugin section and then install Elementor Website Builder. Just install it and it will take a couple of seconds and then you can activate it. There we go. Now hit activate. And now you have to install some more things. First go to add new and type in Astra. Just do it. And then you will see a plugin that's called Starter Templates. So it is by Brainstorm Force. This is the plugin you want to install. Hit install now, and now it's going to install this one as well. There we go, let's activate it. And what you now have to do is very important. Go to Appearance and then go to Themes over here. And there we go, this is the theme you want to use. So if Astra is not your theme yet, you have to go to Add New. Then go to search themes and type in Astra. Just type it, and as you can see, this is the theme you have to use. This is a key, you have to use Astra. So once you've installed Astra, you can go to plugins again, and then go to starter templates and hit see library. So we want to go to the library and then select the page builder we have. So we obviously use Elementor, and there we go. Here you can see all these templates you can use. So some of them are pro or agency, so you have to pay, but a lot of them are free. So you can also filter by free. There we go. And now we can select a template for our website. So for example, if we have a blog website or an e-commerce store, let's select blog website. Then as you can see, here is a blog template. So we can also search for business. There we go. Let's install Outdoor Adventure just for the sake of this video. Then you can import the home template, but you can also import the complete site. So that's what I always recommend you to do. Import the complete site and delete the previously imported site. Now you can import it, and this will take a couple of minutes because it has to install a lot of themes and plugins, but I'll get back to you when it's done. And there we go. As you can see, the import is successfully. The website imported successfully right here, and now you can hit view site. And there we go. Now we installed a great theme or template for our website. And we can hit edit with Elementor over here, and we can start customizing the website from here. But I'm not going to show you that in this video because this is all personal preferences, and you can just change this however you want. So if this video helped you out to import an Elementor theme or template in your WordPress website, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.